Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techker. In this video, I'll be doing the antutu benchmark comparison between the POCO F2 Pro versus the POCO X3 device. The POCO F2 Pro is a premium end smartphone which has a Snapdragon 865 processor, and whereas the POCO X3 is a mid-range segment mobile phone which has a Snapdragon 732G processor. So in this video, I'll be comparing the antutu benchmark scores side by side, and let's see how much difference will be there between the mid-range segment mobile phone versus the premium end segment mobile phone from the same manufacturer company, so which is a POCO. So let's see friends, and I know it's not a fair comparison, but this was a request from one of my subscribers to do a side-by-side antutu benchmark comparison, just to want to know that how much the score difference will be there. And in case if you're wondering what kind of live wallpaper I'm using and what is this Apple theme I'm using currently, try to check my recently uploaded video on complete setup tutorial about this complete iOS theme which I installed in the POCO X3 device. So there is a complete video for that, so try to watch that video. You can convert your phone into iOS 14 similarly like me. And now let me try to open the screenshot which I have taken of the antutu benchmark score in both the smartphones. So here is a quick antutu benchmark score comparison directly friends, as you can see here. So the POCO X2 scored around 2,77,000, and whereas the POCO F2 Pro scored 5,72,000. So clearly there is a close difference of 3 lakhs difference. So this is between both the smartphones. So if you compare side by side, as you can clearly see, let me try to show you the CPU and GPU performance. As you can see here friends, so in terms of the CPU, close to 1 lakh, and here it's close to 1,79,000. But in GPU performance, it's very much double, I think triple the GPU of the POCO X3 device. As you can clearly see the difference here. So CPU and the GPU performance. And if you're wondering, the POCO X3, I think exactly double the antutu benchmark of the POCO X3 device, the POCO F2 Pro is. As you can see, I did a quick math, and here you can see exactly. Still, it's very low number. So overall, it's kind of 2.5 speed, 2.5 times of the POCO X3 device you can consider. So this is a quick antutu benchmark comparison friends. So this is how it looks if you compare the Snapdragon 865 versus the Snapdragon 732G processor. So for more videos, make sure to follow me regularly, and if you have any other request on the POCO X3 or other smartphones in my channel, so try to comment below. I'll try to make a video on that one as well. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. For more videos interesting, make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly, and check my channel every day for the new videos as well. And see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.